Hello, my name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. I want to thank all 724 subscribers. I just put out a video on how to get started with ServiceNow for all you guys that are unfamiliar with the product, and in the last video I referred to waking an instance. So basically, right now I'm going through that process. So when you go to developer.servicenow.com, you go to manage an instance, and what will happen is you'll see this little red X and it'll say it's hibernating. And then you kind of have to wait a second, because if you click on the URL here, it'll bring you into a separate tab. Here we go. Now you see it. It's getting ready and it's almost there. So it'll be a little bit slow in the beginning. That's why I wanted to wait a second before I clicked over here. So now it's ready. You'll see this green check mark. Click on the URL. And it'll bring up the instance here. Might have me log in even. Oh, okay, so it remembered me from the last session, so it'll bring me right in. And you can see my name pop up here. And yeah, this is my instance, all right. So I just wanted to show you that, so that way you're familiar with the process. Now remember, if your remaining inactivity goes to 0 or more, it's going to wipe the instance completely. So all the work that you've done inside that instance will go away. So that's one thing to be cognizant of. I'm not sure if I spelled that out correctly on the last video, but there's a difference between waking it up, meaning starting from where you left off, and then if you want to, if it resets, then everything is going to be wiped out there. And you'll see down here in the actions, you'll have options to reset the admin password, reset and wipe the instance. So again, if it goes below that 10-day mark, past that, then it's going to wipe it, so everything's going to go away. So I just wanted to go over that today. My name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we just unlocked the power of ServiceNow.